Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how oregano oil is made. First, you need to understand that oregano oil comes from the leaves and flowers of the oregano plant. The primary method for extracting this potent oil is steam distillation, a process that carefully separates the oil from the plant material. This method ensures that the beneficial compounds, like carvacrol, are preserved. High-quality oregano oil is known for its concentration of this important active compound, which contributes to its many uses. To begin making oregano oil, the first crucial step is harvesting the oregano plants. You'll want to select mature plants, rich in both leaves and flowers, as these parts contain the highest concentration of essential oils. Harvesting in the morning, after the dew has evaporated, is ideal. After gathering, gently clean the oregano to remove any soil or unwanted debris. Then, allow the plant material to air dry slightly. This helps reduce the water content, preparing it for the next stage of extraction. The core of oregano oil production is steam distillation. First, the cleaned and slightly dried oregano plant material is placed into a specialized still. Steam is then introduced, which gently passes through the plant material, causing the tiny oil glands to rupture and release their aromatic compounds. This steam, now carrying the essential oil vapor, travels into a condenser. Here, it cools and reverts to a liquid state, a mixture of water and oregano oil. The oil, being lighter, naturally floats on top of the water, making it easy to separate and collect. After the distillation process, you'll have a mixture of oregano essential oil and water, known as a hydrosol. This mixture is allowed to settle, and because oil and water don't mix, the pure oregano oil will naturally form a distinct layer on top. This precious oil is then carefully decanted or poured off from the water. A final filtration step ensures that any tiny plant particles are removed, leaving a clean, potent oil. Finally, the finished oregano oil is bottled in dark glass containers to protect it from light and preserve its quality for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.